Alright guys, this right here is the faultless deadbolt lock. It's a 5-pin, as you can see right there. And let's see here. You heard all the pins in there. So we're going to use this hook pick, tension tool, and it is locked. Oops. Get that for you one more time. I don't know if you've seen it spin. Okay, there, it's unlocked. Alright, I'm going to try to use this other tool on it that I've been using more and more lately. The wave jiggler pick from Southern Specialties. And I'm just going to put it in there, push it up a little bit, and pull it out. But since that's not working, alright, let me see something here. Okay, now this is a KW1 bump key that I've put onto a KW10 blank, so it has a humongous head on it. That's for the sake of not smashing the piss out of my fingers while trying to bump. We're going to bump this lock. As you can see, don't open. And as you can see, it is now open.